Welcome to Product Planner. I'm Yassine and I'm here to tell you a bit about what Planner can do and what that means for your project. But first, a quote. Obvious, right? Maybe, but what isn't obvious to many teams is why they run out of money. Usually, it's a combination of underestimating how much you'll have to spend, when you'll have to spend it, and how long it'll take you to get to market. Unless you've built your exact product before, odds are you're missing something. Product Planner is here to help you organize your product data and costs so that you're never blindsided because there was a question you didn't ask or a detail you didn't realize was important. We unlock insights in your data to give you the information you need when you need it. As you explore Planner, short videos like this one will appear to give you a few pro tips on relevant screens as you get started. Getting your BOM in Product Planner is a great step in your manufacturing journey, and we look forward to helping you along the way. Happy building!